Hello again. Here we are at Clark's place. Gonna start on the 72, final sanding today. Getting it prepped for probably paint tomorrow. I think we did all the final nitpicky chips, scratches. And now we're, final coat of primer was on there. Now we're gonna hit it down. We're gonna go ahead and use, I think it's 800 grit to just make it as smooth as we can before we seal, color, and then clear. So this will be the final time it's sanded. Once you put the sealer on there, you don't touch it anymore. And then of course color. And we'll do all that tomorrow. We'll probably do probably a time lapse tomorrow as well, and show how we do it. We toil on the car and inside and out. So it ought to be a good video. Should be a good video today too. We're just gonna time lapse it, let it run as we do the final sanding. So thank you.
Okay, we are starting out here looking at Dad and I running around the whole car doing last minute detail stuff. In this video you will see both of us a lot of times walking around together with either here, I's got the flashlight, and we're just addressing little nibs here and there.
Yeah, there's just little bitty imperfections that you can pick up with the flashlight shining across the surface. It really, accentuates whether it's a little divot or there's a hair in it, or who knows. But we can address it now instead of put color on it and go, oh my gosh, what's this?
And a lot of times, we're done painting the car now, and it's really about flawless, but
yeah,
little trash gets thrown in when you do primer, and when you do get it all in one color, when you got all different mixed up colors as you've sanded through different layers of primer and it's all variegated, it's tough to glance at and see a high spot that casts a shadow. But when you get it all gray, then you can really run around and see. So we've put another coat of primer on this, and both he and I are running around just zipping any little thing that looks like a bump, taking it down.
We noticed that the trunk deck that's hanging there, we never thought it moved, but I guess apparently
I've never seen it move in real life until you watch this.
You watch it in fast, and it's actually going back and forth.
I love that hood. When you see that on this video, this hood, it is like the baddest ass hood design I've ever seen. It's so cool when it's up on its side. It's like you don't ever see that perspective on the car. Oh, there we were both working on that door jamb there.
Yeah.
I've got Bondo right there. I'm doing a little bit of probably a little glazing, just last minute.
And sanding.
I think later on, you haven't seen it yet, Pop, but all this parts in the foreground here, all that we do a little bit of glazing over that. And then tomorrow's video that I'm going to edit tonight as well, it's got a lot of all that cleaning up with the Bondo eater. So
we ended up taking the hood off to paint. There's a little trick you can do by drilling a hole and through the hinge part and then into the actual frame of the hood, like the size of a finish nail, and that gives your alignment. So you're putting a painted hood back on a car, you know how hard that is to align it.
That's dangerous.
So you get it about 99% lined up where it goes by lining up those two holes with your nail. It's kind of using it like a pin, and then put your bolts in, tighten them up.
If we think of it, we could shoot a little video when we're putting the hood back on. How to align it.
We'll probably do that. Hopefully we won't be filming a catastrophe of.
Yeah.
My fear is always putting the hood on and scratching them up, because we don't have 5 guys to hold the hood and get it perfect. We've got 2 of us, of course, and then when our friend Doug's over, we will have 3, but we'll see.
You might have seen a little butt crack in there. It might have peeked out there as I was leaning over. Sorry about that, ladies and gents.
Yeah.
Everyone.
I don't know if we've got a blurring tool that we have to make this PG rated. So.
Sorry about that, everyone. Just going along the bottom of the rocker there. Both bottoms of the rockers, I don't think anyone had ever touched.
No.
So there was a lot of work on the like those doors are original Challenger doors. They're not repop. So
Right.
I
And the
mean,
fenders are original.
yeah, 50-year-old stuff has issues. It's been around the block a couple times. So
True, true.
um, yeah, there. I think on the other side you can just see our feet running around the bottom. We're just doing kind of the same thing on the other side. Is
Right.
I think really focusing on working that where that quarter meets the door jamb at the bottom.
Right.
And like I mentioned earlier, tomorrow the next video I'm going to edit here after this one's done, it's got a lot of the Bondo Eater on that. So there's more Bondo Eater to come for all you Bondo Eater fans.
Yep.
I think we're probably about done on that other side.
Yep.
And then let's see, yeah, moving around.
Yeah, I don't
Working
know
the sail.
how long this took to do all this. But probably.
This is one full day out there. So probably a good 6 hours or so that we were.
Yeah, and I think that Chris edit out, or did you edit out breaks that we would take?
Oh, we don't take breaks. We're machines.
Yeah, they were
We
doing
just work straight through. What are you talking about? Have you seen us take a break? Don't zoom in on that clock back there, though. You might be missing 15 or 20 minutes here
Yeah.
and there. Oh, there we've tried to fit up the stinking grill. Man,
Oh
I
yeah.
don't know how you got that thing off of there. We had to take it off the rotisserie or something because, or maybe you took it off before it went on the rotisserie because it would not go back in there.
Yeah, we were trying to see if the alignment worked well with because that's a fiberglass one piece, and that I don't remember how we took it off being on the rotisserie, but
That's about it for this.
just
We're
about-
finishing up in the front, and that's about it for this video. So thanks
right.
for watching.
thanks for watching.
Bye bye.